So this is our spring summer tree. So this is our Christmas tree that we did not remove. So what I did is I just changed the decoration into a spring summer theme. And now that the summer is over, I'm gonna transform this tree into a fall tree. And I got some fall leaves in Walmart. So I got this in Walmart. This is $1.14. I got few. And then this one, I got it also from Walmart. It's $1.38. I got some of it. And then the ribbon, I got this in Family Dollar. It's $1.25. I got 4 of this. I did not bought much because I'm gonna buy after the fall, because that's the time that all the decoration for fall are cheaper. But I hope that I can make this tree nice. So I'm gonna remove first all the flowers, and I have pins here that I'll put all the flowers, and I will show to you guys what the tree look like after I put the decoration. So these are the curtains that I'm gonna use. So I bought this in Amazon. So the pair of orange, they are $13. And then the white, it's $11 for 2 panels. And this is the box of that. So I picked the 54 by 63 inches. So it's 54 the width, and then the length is 63 inches. So I'm gonna remove the old curtains and replace it with the orange and white curtain. This is the vase that I'm gonna use. So I bought this in a yard sale. So this is $3. It's very nice. There is no crack. And then this one, I got it also in the yard sale. So I bought this for $2. I bought it in the same time. So inside the vase, I put some styrofoam so that the flower can stand inside. Then I got these flowers in Dollar Tree. It's $1.25 actually. So I'm gonna put thing like that. And then so I'm standing inside the styrofoam. Then the other one in the middle. And then the yellow will be in the top. Just stretching a little bit. So this is our first vase. So this is the second vase that I'm gonna use. So I put also a styrofoam inside. And I got these flowers from Michael's store. So it's $4.99. So pretty. So I'm just gonna put the orange first. Then the other orange. And then the yellow is in the middle. That. So this is the fall tree look like. That's the close-up. And I need to replace the bulb of the tree. And then I use 4 panels of curtain from Amazon. And then this little dog, I got this in Big Lots during the 75 clearance sale. I got the orchids in TJ Maxx. And then I got this all in the yard sale. So it's $1. I got this book from the yard sale also. I got this for $2. And then this one is from the yard sale also with a owl. So cute. And then I got this in Dollar Tree for $1.25. I got my flowers from Michael's. And then I got the vase from the yard sale for $3. And this one, I got it from CVS during Christmas season. Then I got this also in the yard sale. So cute. It's $1 each. And this one is antique from my husband's grandma. And then this dog, Bumblebee dog, is from Big Lots during 75 clearance sale. I paid $3 for this. This one also is from the yard sale. And this lampshade, we got it also in the yard sale. We paid $10 for the lampshade, including also the table of that. And this one, we got it from the yard sale, $1. Also this one. And then this angel with a lamp, we got it from the yard sale also. I paid $3 for that. And then this decor is from Dollar Tree. And then the flowers is from the Dollar Tree also. And then the base is from the yard sale. In the other corner, my paintings are hanging, in which I need to rearrange that. I changed also the curtains in the other side. So let's take a look to the final decors. It's so dark because based on the weather, there's gonna be a heavy rain later. And then in the other side, So thank you so much guys for watching and have a blessed day everyone.